Oh, yeah, not really. I mean, we are headed in October, though, so we are starting to see some change in those leaves we were talking about just a moment ago. The DNR put out their first fall color report of the season earlier this week. If you look at some of the data across the state of Iowa, we have, some color. It's pretty spotty at this point. You got to go, obviously, much farther off to the north, out into the mountains, up into New England, up here into the north woods of Wisconsin or the Iron Range of, Minnesota to see any decent fall colors here so far. That'll change, though, as we go forward. So far here in Iowa, spotty stuff, a few of those cottonwoods, walnuts, and bottomland sort of stuff. Some of those maples that like to change early. Here's the DNR's latest estimate of when we're going to see peak color. Northeast Iowa towards mid-October. Once you get towards about the third week of the month here in central and southeast Iowa, western parts of the state more like the third to fourth week of the month. So that's maybe a little bit later than usual. And I think partly it is because it's been very, very warm lately. When you don't have these cool nights during fall, you don't really get the colors to change as fast. And look at what our nights have done here for the past couple of weeks. On average, past 14 days, about 9 degrees warmer than normal. So over the past couple of weeks, our average morning low should be about 50 degrees. We've been around 60 or warmer here. So we haven't really had those cool, crisp nights to really help those colors accelerate. We are going to get those here this week or after this weekend for a few days, and then looking forward towards next weekend and in the middle of the month, those orangish colors, pretty good likelihood on our long-range temperature outlook that we're going to be back to being warmer than normal yet again. So the colors are changing. They're maybe just not changing too fast right now. You can see it's still pretty green here on the Simpson campus down in Indianola at this hour. It's going to be hot down in Warren County and most spots around Iowa this afternoon and tomorrow as well. Up around 90 degrees, not quite to records though. The winds will blow in. Still more heat as we go into tomorrow and into Sunday. Gusts around 30 miles per hour, and then eventually a system brings us rainfall towards Sunday night and into early next week. So temperatures a few hours from now creep the rest of the way up through the 80s, within a degree or two of 90 in most spots, if not right at that 90-degree mark briefly at least too. Now today the wind's fairly light, okay, so we're not too worried about fire danger, but that'll be a little bit more of a question as we go into tomorrow. Watch as we go into your Saturday, especially afternoon. You see that kind of orangish mustard color start to show up here as our fire weather index gets a little bit higher, just because you see these wind gusts 30 to in some cases 35 miles per hour out in western Iowa, warmer temperatures too, so the air gets a little bit drier, and there's so much farm equipment out in the fields right now, and all those corn stalks and bean stubble. Everything else is just so dry. It's just easy for any spark off of any kind of machinery to just move pretty easily here this weekend. So that's something to keep in mind. There's the heat, upper 80s both tomorrow and on Sunday. So it's hot today, it's hot tomorrow, still pretty warm on Sunday as well. And then watch your Sunday night. Okay, this is Sunday afternoon, front approaching from the west. Clouds start to increase through the afternoon, but more dry during the daytime hours, probably not till after the evening or after dark. So let's say 6 o'clock, or maybe at the earliest 7, 8, 9 more likely. We start to see scattered showers and some storms break out ahead of a boundary. Those kind of slowly move across Iowa overnight and then into Monday morning. Here's noontime, mainly central and southeastern and eastern Iowa. Now some showers during your Monday. Temperatures falling on the other side of that boundary, only 60s on Monday. Still a few storms possible Sunday or Monday night in parts of southeast Iowa, and then that front finally moves all the way out of here, and we're clearing our skies back out for Tuesday, but with much cooler temperatures, basically seasonal temperatures, just back to normal. Upper 60s here for Tuesday and into Wednesday. Look at Wednesday morning's low as well. High pressure moving by, 40s when you get up there for the middle of the week.